Here we are with the trade journal for 2021. Starts off with a dashboard with a calendar that tracks my day trades and my future trades combined, so I can see what my daily totals are. I can see what my monthly total is. Over here I got my little snapshot of what's going on percentage wise, average risk, all these different things right there. Good information to keep. My trade calculator, so I got two of them, one for groups of stocks and for individuals. I can quickly look at my percentage risk reward, what that is, if I want to risk 2%, so forth. I can also come over here and say I'm going to buy this stock. I don't want to risk more than $100. It's a 50-cent risk. I'm not going to buy more than 200 shares, and that should keep me in my zone for my risk strategy. So help me with my risk management. I got my futures calculator. Does a similar thing there. Kind of tells me what's up. If I'm risking 1% of my account, that's $270. This trade setup, once I put the information in, I'm risk rewarding $250. So we're in the zone. Good to go. Day trade log over here. I can put in my ticker, long, short, entry, exit, shares, all that good stuff, and track my trades based on, and I can see my daily totals, monthly totals, weekly totals, all my statistics over here, what my average win is, what my average risk is, all that stuff to help me become a better trader. We have a futures and Forex log, a swing trading log. They're different because there's different things that go with each one of those. Scaling ladder. So if I know I want to risk 1% of my account, then I'm going to scale up to 2%, etc. This automatically fills in green to tell me where I'm at based on what's going on in the log. So right now I'm risking $312 for my next trade. If I have a loser, it's going to go back down. And if I have winners, it's going to keep on growing and let me know when I can get to the next level. I can also do that in dollars if I don't want to do that in percent. And I just fill in whatever that is. 100, that's what I want it to be. I can do that and drag it down. My next 10 trades is 100. And you can see where I'm at in there. So that tells me how I'm going to proceed. Section on trading rules, so you can keep track of what your rules and strategy is. And in my back test log, so you put in all your things, win, loss, all that good stuff. Come down, see where you're at. I'm at 80% with 8 and 2. Good enough for me. If it's not 80%, you can see the color changing into the red zone. Do not trade it. So strategy tracker, once I get done with all that, it lets me track my strategy. So blue for strategy 1, red for strategy 2. Strategy 2 so far is a losing strategy. And I may dump this if it continues. And I can see what my daily win rate was, 60%. Not great. Thanks, strategy 2. And on my log, every page has an instruction video, so that on that page, you can click on that button, learn everything you need to know to use that page. And if something's not on there and you have one of my logs, just shoot me an email and I'll see if I can help you out. And then as we continue on, we have our stock ideas, which is where I could track my trades as far as my portfolio goes. If I have an 80% win rate because I take advantage of every trade opportunity, and then I'm trying to trade 5 different tickers, can I trade them both at the same time, or will I not be able to afford it? And that tells me, are they hitting at the same time? Are they hitting on different times and days? Does this particular ticker hit at the time frame I like to trade? I want to trade in the morning. Yes, it does. Look at all those. I want to trade in the afternoon. Not so good. So I put in my stock ideas tracker here so I can get all my stats and see what the best tickers or the best strategy is for my lifestyle and goals. Traders, you have to have a trade journal of some kind. Write it down on paper. Make your own. Go over to the link at the bottom of this video so that you can see the full video of this journal, and it might give you ideas on what you want to build into your own journal. Or you can go ahead and just buy this one for $49.95. If you want to save the time, you don't want to spend weeks and weeks creating your own, $49.95, and you can get this one. Either way, make sure you have a journal. It'll help you improve your game. Keep track of what's going on. Be a winning trader.